5 miraculous health benefits of eating raw food that more than 90% people are unaware of. Let's find out in this video. Raw food basically means the different varieties of fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, sprouts, dates, coconut, honey, sugarcane juice. This category of foods have some extraordinary benefits that is nothing less than a miracle. Number 1. Lower risk of health problems. Raw food is highly detoxifying, which means it removes toxins from the body and this facilitates healing. Name any chronic illness you have ever heard of. You will find a healing story of that using the magic of raw food. Number 2. No excess weight and high strength and energy. Raw food has fewer calories, which naturally helps in cutting down the excess fat from the body, and the living enzymes present in it also provides us with an excess of energy and muscular strength. Earlier, I used to feel really sleepy during the day, especially after a heavy and satisfying lunch. But after eating more raw food, I don't feel sleepy during the day at all. Number 3. Higher lifespan. Look, I am selfish. I want to live 100 years, and at 100, I want to be this stupid old man who is running around the place for no freaking reason. Did I really say that? My apologies. Coming to the main point, have you seen some people, they eat as if they are going to die today? When you eat that way, our organs are actually overworking to digest that food, and naturally they age faster. Raw food, on the other hand, is the exact opposite of this. Light and easy to digest, so our body retains its capacity for a longer period of time. Number 4. Most dense nutrition on the planet. Yes, you heard it right. Compared to all the categories of food, raw food tops this list. Especially sprouts has the most nutrition of all the foods in this world. No meat, dairy products or any cooked food comes close to raw food. Benefit number 5. A calm and focused mind. This is the most amazing benefit according to me. What has changed in me is I'm more focused as I don't feel drowsy anymore. My mental clarity has increased and I get angry less often. Sattvic food equals a sattvic mind. Another common question is how much of raw food to eat. Ideally, about 50 to 70% of your diet should be raw food. If you are looking to gain weight, you have to eat at least 30 to 50%. But if you are looking to lose weight, about 70% of raw food in your diet is very good. Topics like these are highly underrated, so I would request you to share this video to as many people as possible. That was it about the benefits of eating raw food. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abhishek and I'll see you soon in another video.